I'm Lily Stolberg. We're here at Uncle Giuseppe's with my good friend Vinny. How are you?
I'm doing great, Lily.
What are we doing today?
We're doing an Italian chopped salad. With any good vinaigrette, you want a nice vinegar. So we have a very nice red wine vinegar. We need an emulsifier. So we're gonna put our Dijon mustard right there in the vinegar. Next, we're gonna get some honey. Start whisking. I'll season.
Okay.
Now, extra virgin olive oil. Slow pour. Look at this.
I've come a long way.
Then we've got Parmigiano Reggiano. That's a lot of cheese. That's okay, that's what we want. We want to take our chickpeas now, and I want to marinate the chickpeas a little bit. Put a little bit of chopped parsley there. This is a chopped salad, so we want it nice and thin, right? So we're gonna get all of our ingredients prepped. We're gonna throw them in the bowl. We're gonna toss them around, then we're gonna top it off with more of the ingredients. We're gonna take half of our chickpeas. Now we're gonna take half of our mozzarella cheese, some of our dressing that we made. See, this is how we get everything incorporated together, right? I want our chickpeas. We're gonna go over the entire top. Now we do our onions. Now we're gonna get our sun-dried tomatoes on, our artichoke, our cheese, and finish it off with our wonderful imported salami. This is it right here, Lily, Italian chopped salad.
Oh, I could not wait to try it. And if you'd like to try it at home, head to news12.com and find the recipe there. Thank you, Vin.
My pleasure as always.